May 2025 from the Bank of Batswana. There is a 6.2% growth of household borrowing. And in a country hounded by rising prices and a sluggish economy, prudent financial management is paramount. Witness Ditshweu is a finance expert from Alvaro, Africa. He joins me in the studio to help us understand how to strike a balance when it comes to our finances. Ditshweu, a very good morning to you. Thank you so much for joining us on the Daybreak. First, let's get to understand this. When looking at society, who in general tends to spend more and why?
Okay. Good morning, Rich. My name is Witness, and I am the director of Alvaro, Africa. To answer your question, I think I'll say men. When we look at the society, men are extreme spenders. And why is that? Is because men have a lot of responsibilities. And others also, we have a lot of responsibilities. Also, we lack that responsibility and that accountability. Why? Because there's a trend that men are spending mostly, I'm not sure if this is relevant, but mostly on women. We tell you about we tell you about spend more because the trend is we men have to pay the allowances and whatnot. So also families, big households are spending a lot. We tell you the school fees on monthly basis and all that. So yeah, that the society.
Let me take you back to the part about men. Men have a lot of responsibilities, but they do not take care of those responsibilities. Some. Isn't that a contradiction?
It is. Yeah, some. Yes, we have responsibilities. Yes. As a man, you have to be a provider. That is the saying, right? So you provide for the family, right? So as you provide for the family...
Is it still the case, though? Sorry to interrupt. Is it still the case?
Yeah, it is. It is. Just that in these days, 50-50. But you tell that 50-50 is not... It's just a saying from the other gender. But read but how was an account to Penqua, Monotsontor Ava Atanyala to Homoquating, Avana or Tocomela family. So, yeah. Also, they have a lot of responsibility, but most of them, or some of them, they fail when it comes to those responsibilities. And here is where it takes them to recklessly spend, if I may put it that way. The girlfriend allowance, I have to impress my friends, I have to take my sites mama to a vacation, I have to take when you have 2 different households that you are taking care of.
Oh, more than one.
I agree to a household, a smaller household. We can't avoid them.
Yes.
And when you talk about financial management, so we spend a family, go the small house. I ho duela di renta especially in the city. We know them, we see them, we associate with those kind of men.
Ba spenda a lot mo diaparong mo di jonyane tse di tlakisang bo re ga bana nako le dionyana tse ding tse di ke sa pro se gore se mo isa go tirong a boe kana dijo tse ile gore di amo wa ja wa tswelela mme re itse gore bomme ba tswa kgakala kana gongwe ke phoso ga ke rialo ga se nnete bomme ba tswa kgakala ile ba ile gore bone ba nna ba lebelwa gore ke bone ba nnang ba ntse ba reka kwana.
Here's the trick, Rich. Ba reka ka madi a tswang kae? Bontsi ja bone, yes, ba reka ka madi a ileng a bona kere, but on top of that, that spending comes from a male. So you get. So I don't want to be biased, but when you talk about financial management, we can't avoid them. We can't really avoid them because we see them on a daily basis.
So what do people spend money on when we talk about things like Independence Day celebrations, holidays? What do they spend their money on?
I would say vacations. going out, vacations, alcohol, that entertainment, the niceties of the entertainment, they okay, fine. Out of spend like householding or the family is coming over, but the holiday, so you have to buy a lot of food, buy groceries. After that, you have to take your kids to the park, monatenyana, bansidi out tenyana. And then how you have to take your, if you have to take your spouse to a vacation, le kokasane, le kokavango, le hobana bojana, lava Batswana. How you are in your buying entertainment, going to Kansabodi Bara, Kansabodi Club. Some spend on those. Weekending,
entertainment is part of life. You can't live without entertainment.
Yes, yes.
If you're going to be looking at how to please yourself over the holidays.
Yes. Reggie, there are financial rules. There are financial rules before you spend your income. You should know that you have to save a certain percent of your income. Saving. So when you save, you know that, okay, fine, I have my savings. You are not stressed about, okay, I will spend the holiday because you know you have been saving for the holidays. Because we know what a calendar we know what a holidays.
So has somebody our saving hela jaka we polokela ka ha thokonyana. Ha se a o hela ke a ileng gore wa boloka jana o lebile gore ke a bolokela go a dirisa ka di 30 tsa September.
Saving ena le mabaka a yone. O khona go save o itse gore okay fine, I'm saving for the holidays. I'm saving to start up this business. I'm saving to retire early. So those financial rules, they differ. So you can save with okay fine, I'm saving for the holidays. Then you can save with I'm saving for this kind of business that I want to start. Then you can save with okay fine, I want to retire early. So the rules is that they're different. So the other one, you save 50, you spend 50% of your income on needs. You spend 30% of your income on wants. Then those ones, that's where the entertainment will now feature. Then you spend the 20% on savings. Then there's debt repayment or debt payment.
Are you giving us figures that you actually give people who need financial advice?
Yes.
Or you are just giving us examples?
I'm giving figures.
So the figures, the 50%, the 30, the 20 are the figures that we should actually be concerned about.
Yes.
Please go over them again.
Yes, like I said, they're different. So this one is when you save, when you spend 50% of your income on your needs. Then your needs is your rental, your groceries, the expenses that you cannot avoid. Then the 30% is on wants. Then you can apportion or see how you can spend that 30% on wants. Then the wants, that's where the entertainment part will come in. That's when maybe entertainment, traveling, but is too much on traveling, because if you are saving also to travel, then you must have your certain percentage of your savings on vacations, right? And then the 20% is on savings. Savings, then you can apportion. Okay, fine. This 20%, 10% I'm saving for this, 10% I'm saving for this. You can be flexible with it. Then you know that, okay, fine. If you have loans or debt payments, then you know also what more 20% than how. Those are 5%. You pay your debts. Then 15% also with savings. Then there is the FIRE savings, which is the financial independence, retire early. Then if you want to be to have financial freedom, it's when now you save aggressively. They want to retire early. That's when now you save your more 50% savings, 60% to 70% of your income. You save that. Then you know that, okay, I'm going to live with only 30% of my income. Then you see how you apportion your 30% of your income.
What kind of a relationship would you say Batswana have though with their finances? I know we've said in the past for ga re itse go boloka, ga re itse go ipolokela. Mme re ntse re na le Setswana se se nnang se ra se re mosele wa pula. What would you say is the problem?
Here's the problem with us and money. In this sense, Hamadiazen runs. Madi, let me tell you something, Rich. Money loves where there is money. That's why you see rich people getting richer and poor people getting poorer. Because Madi ayako Madi alente. ha ona le madi o itse gore okay fine, I have this income. That is why I advise saving, because when you save, you don't spend your income up to the last tebe, because hona le dio tse di iragala mo tseleng, uncertainty se di kgonang go ta o sa di sologela. So when you save, you know that okay fine, like I said, ona le a ke re gona le methala e mentsi ya go save, o itse gore o savela sennane, o savela sennane. So ha madi a tsena o sontse re o itse gore okay fine, togela madi a nne mo accounteng, dirisa a o ka dirisang, togela madi a nne mo accounteng, rata madi, itse go dirisa madi, itse gore okay fine, ke sontse gore ke spende bokana, ke sontse gore ke salwe ke bokana, a ya go di savings. If you have a savings account, isa madi go savings account which is fixed, because you know now if it's fixed, you don't cash out or withdraw nako le nako ha o bata or unnecessarily. So relationship ya rona e re na le yone ke madi, ke gore ha madi a tsena, ha ke na le madi mo accounting, nna tota ke batla go spend. Ha ke na le madi mo accounting, I want to please mamang, ke batla gore se mamang a mpone ke ntse jana. Ha ke na le madi mo accounting, weekend e go bonwa nna ke
na mo. Is it because we don't have discipline kana ga re itse ga ra rutwa sentle gore madi re tshwanetse re a tshole ka mokgontsing ya?
I think both.
Okay.
I think both. Ga yengwe ke go discipline. Saving kana lo ne dingalo. When you save, you must be disciplined enough. We say okay fine. At the end of the month, my income, I have a non-negotiable expense. That expense is saving, because when you know that it's non-negotiable, it builds up discipline. It builds up character and discipline. You are disciplined enough for you to know that I have to save this certain percent of my income, right? And then also the other thing, more no go bakwa king. Ke kanyela ya gore nna ke le witness ke sontse gore ha ke ya ka ke le director wa Alvaro ke itse go itse gore okay fine, witness is an entrepreneur, ke sontse gore ha go tsena weekend e be go bonwa nna okay fine, ke go bokete ke rekela bo semamang ke irase kanya gore we want to live beyond our means, right? Ke gone mo go bakang gore e be re sena that kind of relationship with money, re sena when we can know how to use money. As an individual, it doesn't matter if you're an accountant, if you're into finance, you have to know how to use money.
Re bona gone gore ga re spenda jana re itlhele re sena gore re ra go siela kae ga go ka tlhagoga dikgwetlho tse ile gore di nna teng. Mme bile le ga ke ntse ke utlwa o bua jana o ntse o bua gore kana ga o batla gore o ye go ditara e le o tsona le seo se go teng aggressive saving. Jaanong ha re lebile gore nna ga ke monana ga se mo nka santseng ke ka saver jaaka no o bua jana, ke tshwantse gore ke ireng bao ba ileng gore ba mo aging ya rona re ka ile ra eng ka gore a bona gore ai mme dingwaga di tsamaile.
Ke yone ne ke bua ya ntha ya 50% of your income on your needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings and debts. How le monana, that is the first rule that you have to adopt. Madi a gago hela ha tsena o itse gore okay fine, before you spend on anything else, 20% wa go di savings. That is if you earn 10,000, 2% of your income, that 2% moloki. Then more that 2,000, you have any loan that you are paying, you have any debt that you are paying, always okay fine, ke duela bokana go sala bokana. But if it's more than that, because I get the loan go na le the agreement that's okay fine, ke banka ya e khogela bokana mo go khogela bokana, that net income we say okay fine, in my net income I'm going to calculate 20% ke misa ka 30% once, 50% on my needs.
Ke ha o le monana ke ha o le kana kana.
That is aggressive saving.
Okay, ka santse ke ka dira aggressive saving mo nakong ya gompieno e le ke ntse ke tswa ke na le di tseleng gore ke setse ke dintshwere dinkaile mo nakong ya gompieno, debts that I already have.
Aggressive saving you can, but it will be dependent on you don't necessarily have to adopt to my percentages or my scale of saving. You can, but you look at your net income. Koreano houses on your expenses, which are okay fine. I've paid all the bills and all that, but so madi a ntshaletseng ke thogana le gore be ke dira eng sente ka ona ke sontse gore be ke itse gore okay fine, madi a setseng a mo ha ile gore ke let's say it's 5,000 or 6,000. That is aggressive saving. We say okay fine, ke setse ke tshetse fuele, ke setse ke na le ke duetse rent, ke duetse motlakase, ke duetse metsi, all the bills have been paid, ke duetse dikoloto, and ke setse ka 5,000. go thona gore o nne aggressive gore okay fine because at 3.5
All of these things that you are telling us, where did you learn them? When did you learn them? Kore ke batla ke e botsa jana ka gore ke le ka go tlhaloganya gore a o ithutile ko primary kana ko secondary kana ko tertiary.
I want to believe some of these things we learned them mostly from tertiary, but not all of them. But yeah, no, how so tertiary, when you start a business, you research about these things.
Nya o nkarabile ke ne ke batla gone gore we papamatsa gore ke ko tertiary ka gore hanke be ne di rutwa ko tlase ke tsa gore bontsi ba rona ne ke be re khona dilo nako ya ntsia offloading of assets re tle re bona gore gantsi ha e leng gore batho ba iphitlhela ba le mo di kgwetlhong ba hella ba bona gore ke na le tshimonyana kwana ke na le setshakwa ke na le ntlokwana mme ke di rekise. How do you view it as a financial expert?
O bona ha ile gore o iphitlhela le gore mo seemong se ileng gore o ntsha dithoto tsa gago because you are financially unstable. O itse gore now that's a problem because here's the number one challenge. The challenge will be now you're going to sell your assets really undervalued because now you are pressured to gain income, right? And now I would advise for okay fine. You are financially challenged. You have to just sit down, look at your records, look at your finances on habase o khone gore o dikala o bone gore ke na le bokae go diragala eng ke duela mambo kana ke duela mambo kana ha ile gore wa bona gore okay fine still ke a leka ba thago lekane. Number 2, avoid the loan tse ileng gore di haphazard o tsa loan because o phithela lo mo seemong sa you are financially challenged but you know what I'm able to get this amount of loan ko bankeng then wa emela wa go tsa loan then gape wa ta o duela dikoloto ka loan go sala o sena sepe gape khantanyana to bo emela bore ta ke go tsa loan ko bekete so the loan is also they're going to be against your assets wa go tshela gore na on sa di assets tsa gago because now you don't have money to repay back those loans and selling of those assets you're going to sell them gape or under pressure you're going to sell them ka madi a no sa tshwana gore o di rekisa ka ona and we phela gore the finances starting the challenges that thing they're going to keep on getting worse so go tseng gompe ko hela ka re bua motswana a lebeletse ko lapeng a re itseng go dirisa madi re itse gore okay fine ha ke amogela ke tsa bokana ke a save ke tsa bokana ke spend mo dinising ke tsa bokana I spend on my wants and then ke save bokana and then from here ke itse gore okay fine my assets are protected ha ke tsa loan yes I can take my loan against my assets but we itse gore okay fine you're going to be disciplined enough for you to repay back that loan within the same time period agreed with the bank or with your financer.
Wow, difficult stuff. It's a whole just huge industry that we need to get a grip on. But we're going to have to leave it there. Unfortunately, we've run out of time. But thank you so much for coming through to speak to us on this particular issue. Witness Ditshweu, who is a director at Alvaro Africa.
My pleasure.
All right. That's where we're going to have to leave it. But don't move because I'm going to be back shortly with your news bulletin.
A call was made out to the public at large